Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we diving into one of the most important defense deals for the Indian Air Force right now. The Medium Transport Aircraft Tender. The IAF needs around 60 new planes to replace its aging AN-32 fleet and boost its capabilities. The three big contenders: Brazil's Embraer C-390 Millennium, the legendary Lockheed Martin C-130J Hercules, and Europe's Airbus A400M Atlas. Let's compare them head to head on specs, payload, range, cost, and how they fit India's tough terrain from hot plains to high Himalayan airfields. First up, payload capacity, the most important factor here. The KC-390 can haul up to 26 tons. That's right, in the IF sweet spot of 18 to 30 tons. It can carry vehicles like Zorawar, light tanks and Humvee, or even a helicopter. The C-130J manages around 90 to 20 tons. Solid, but at the lower end what India wants. The A400M is heavyweight champion with 37 tons. It can move outsized loads no problem, but it's more strategic lifter than the pure medium transport. Range and speed, this is where things get interesting. The jet-powered KC-390 cruises at blistering Mach 0.8, around 870 km per hour, with 23 to 26 tons. It covers roughly 2000 to 2700 km. The C-130J, being a turboprop, is slower, around 540 to 600 km per hour cruise, but has reliable range with a payload. The A400M offers the best strategic legs, over 3300 km with 20 tons, and even better with the lighter loads. It's faster than Hercules too. Now, Indian terrain requirements. This is crucial. India needs aircraft that can operate from short, semi-prepared runways and high-altitude landing grounds in the Himalayas, often in hot and high conditions. The C-130 has decades of proven experience here. The IF already flies in the newer J variant and knows it works in austere environments. The A400M is excellent on rough strip with its powerful turboprops. The KC-390, despite being a jet, is designed for short fields and has shown strong performance. Its speed can be a big advantage for rapid deployment. Price and operating costs. The budget reality check. The KC-390 is the most affordable. Unit price often cited between $50 to $100 million, with lower maintenance thanks to its modern design and high availability rates. C-130J and J sites in the middle. The A400M much more expensive. That's around $150 to $220 million per aircraft. For the same money, India could buy way more KC-390 or C-130, meaning bigger fleet and better overall availability. Other important points. All three supports troops, paratroopers, medical evacuation and airdrops. The KC-390 stands out with easy aerial refueling capability, a bonus since India needs more tankers. The C-130 has unmatched global reliability and existing IF infrastructure. The A400M brings massive cargo volume and strategic flexibility. So, which one is best for IAF? The Embraer KC-390 looks like strongest overall fit. It perfectly matches the payload requirement, offers jet speed and efficiency, comes at better price, and supports local manufacturing through partnership. It gives India more aircraft for budget without sacrificing modern capabilities. The C-130 is safe, proven choice with existing support. The A400M is powerful, but might too big, too costly for medium transport fleet. Of course, the final decision will depend on trials, offsets and total life cycle cost. What do you think India should pick? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Like if you found this useful. Subscribe for more defense breakdowns. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.